What is up, guys? How the fuck are you guys doing? So today we'll be riding and we're gonna do a special video. We're gonna do our very first collaboration with, I think is the most popular moto vlogger in Singapore right now, Mr. Farhan Tre with Abang Zah and Brother Ease. Woo! Oh, it just feels good, man. I'm very excited, guys. I am very excited because we are going, S1000s. We are on our way to meet Farhan Tre, Zah, and East to collaborate. I'm super excited, and honestly, like I said, I've been wanting to do motovlog for so long, but I didn't have the courage to do it. Then one day I saw Farhan's channel and I was like, you know what? It looks fun. I really want to do this. So here I am doing motovlog. So thank you, Farhan, for that little push. Now we are here. I'm really excited, and if you guys are not following them, do follow them, man. They make amazing content. So I'm on my way now to somewhere in Bukit Batok, and we're gonna record some spooky stories. I think I'm gonna share like 2 stories or something. Yeah, I'm just really excited to be there, honestly, just to see them and just see how they operate and maybe just learn a thing or two from them. Woo. Oh guys, that corner, please do not try to show off or what, because trust me, there's a lot of sand over there and I've seen a lot of people fall. I've seen 3 people fall in front of my eyes. So please, that corner, be careful. So if you guys want to do motovlog and you guys don't have the courage to do it, let me just tell you guys something. Do it. It's really fun, and I know you don't really get anything from it for now, but just do it for the passion, do it for the community, do it as a hobby, and trust me, you're gonna have a blast. You're gonna meet amazing people, and I already have a few people talking to me about meeting and all, and it's just fun. Like riding bike itself is fun, but riding it with friends, it's just a whole new thing, man. Like the brotherhood you make while riding bikes is just a whole new level. If this session ends early, I might meet the Ducati boys for a while. If not, then I guess I have to head home because I got something on tomorrow. So yeah, I am a little bit late. We promised to meet like at 11 and now it's 11 and I'm halfway there. You know what they say, Janji Melayu, man. So far they haven't texted me yet, so I think they are late also. Hopefully, so I don't feel so bad. I really hope they don't go into like a cemetery, because I'm gonna be frank with you guys, I am a scary cat. I hate going to those kind of places. I'm not into those kind of adventures and all, My friend last time asked me and I just went reluctantly, like once or twice, and then I never went again because I just hate it, man. I just don't want. Like I never seen like a ghost directly in front of me, like you know what I mean, like it's there and you see it. But sometimes you think you see something, you think you saw something, but sometimes you thought you saw something at the corner of your eye. You don't even know if it's a ghost or not, but it's just something over there. That one many times. But directly in front of me, like me looking at it, no, never. So I plan, my goal in life is to never have that experience. So far I've been achieving that goal very well, and my number one strategy is to not to disturb them in the first place lah. So yeah, so I really hope they don't bring me to a cemetery, because I'm not a fan, man, not a fan. But nonetheless, for you guys, for the fans, oh, I need to turn here. For you guys, for the fan, I will head over to the cemetery if they ask me to. But it's not a good idea for me, honestly, because like dude, my exhaust, I'm not trying to show off or brag, but it is bloody loud. My exhaust is bloody loud. It's annoying. It's annoyingly loud, and you go to a cemetery with this bike, bro, I guarantee you they are not gonna disturb Farhan, they are not gonna disturb Zah, they are not gonna disturb Brother East. They're gonna disturb me because my bike is the noisiest, I think. And like like imagine someone driving into your house with a loud ass Ducati. You will hunt the shit out of them, man. So we are at Dairy Farm right now, and I don't know if you guys read the news, but someone recently just hanged himself inside this park, like at the center of the walkway. He hung himself at the center of the walkway. Imagine going on your morning stroll and you saw a dead body hanging. Dude, that is just, oh my god, that is just not, that is something you never want to experience, man. You will never want to go out for morning walks ever again. And over here we have the Salvation Army. I really like to go over to Salvation Army because they have like a lot of nice secondhand stuff. And if you take your time going through like thrift shops and all, you can find hidden gems. Oh, that's a Ducati right there. Got the feeling on the summer day, wake up at the summer day. Alright, and we are here. Let's see if they are here. Is that them? I don't know if that's them. Yes, that is them. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Hello. Yes, nice to meet you, Farhan. Hi, bro. Zayani.
Man lambat, right?
Yes, my number, of course. Who else? Hey, hello. I'm good. How are you? Lighting is important. Yes, I was working just now. I'm currently doing crypto trading with my friends. Technically, it's work lah. Where got it? Anytime, any day. Yeah lah. But it was a meeting lah, so. And we are off to I don't know where. I'm just following, honestly. I'm sorry if I'm a bit awkward, guys. I'm a very awkward person, to be honest. Like when I meet someone new for the first time, I'm honestly very awkward. Like my English will, I don't know what happened to my English. My English will like fuck up. My Malay also will fuck up, and I will choose not to talk. So I think we are heading to somewhere around this area, if I'm not wrong. Are we going inside a park? Oh my god, please don't tell me we're going to the place where someone just commit suicide. Oh my god. Where is this place? I've never been here before, man. Holy shit, there's a stairs. There are stairs. And that is scarier than anything. Do we have to go up the stairs? Alright guys, so we're gonna record right now and catch you guys later. And we are back. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I had to go halfway because I have like some emergencies at home that I have to attend. It was really awkward that I have to leave halfway, but something serious happened, so it's a bit weird. Like out of the sudden, I don't know if I should say this, but my partner suddenly start vomiting and not feeling well at home out of the blue. So I don't know, I'm just gonna rush home and check on her and make sure that she's fine. And I'm really sorry to Farhan, Za and Iz for bailing halfway. I really hope I can shoot with you guys soon, but I really have to attend to this emergency. I just don't feel right that my partner is at home right now feeling like shit all of a sudden while I'm talking about ghost stories and going to haunted places. So I'm kinda scared that there's disturbance at home or what lah. I'm just gonna, hopefully it's not lah, hopefully it's just like she salah makan or something. But yeah, so now I'm just rushing back home to make sure that my girlfriend is fine. Really sorry guys that I have to cut this video short. Anyway, the RS125 is at Man Lambat. I'll be collecting this Wednesday. Then I'm gonna put final touches, the winglets and all, and then I'll make a video on that. Really excited about that. And thank you to Farhan, Za and Iz for inviting me to your motovlog. I really appreciate it. And it was really an experience for me because I get to see how you guys like function and all the equipments you guys use, and I really learned a lot from you guys. I'm really sorry I have to bail halfway. There's just an emergency at home I have to attend. I really hope that we can collaborate again soon. Maybe not ghost stories. Maybe we can do other stuff. And yeah, it was really a good chat with them. And guys, it's not easy to do motovlogging, let me tell you that. It's not easy at all, from the equipment to the content to the editing. And sometimes, you know, you can be out riding for hours and recording content, and at the end of the day you just feel like the content is not up to your standard and you decided not to use it, so it's just wasted. But let me tell you guys something, it is totally worth it. I am really enjoying myself doing motovlogs. And if you guys have like, you know, the urge, the slight urge of doing motovlogging and all, or any sort of vlogging, let me tell you this, do it. Because I regret not doing this from the start. I regret not doing this 8 years ago when I had my RS125. I already bought the camera, I already bought the mics and all, but I just didn't have the courage to do it. And let me tell you, till this day I regretted not pursuing it back then. So my final words to you guys is, in life you need to take risks. In life you need to be bold and do things that makes you happy, even though it's a bit uncomfortable. But hey, trust me, once you start doing it, and once you start getting good at it and all, and you meet the right people, it's gonna be easy and it's gonna be fun. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.